Hi, I'm Aiden from AI Fire Labs, and in this session, we're going to dive into the world of artificial intelligence in a way that's creative, hands-on, and easy to understand. Here's what you'll learn. First, you'll understand what artificial intelligence is and how it works. We'll look at how AI shows up in everyday life, from chatbots to digital art, and what actually makes a computer smart. Next, you'll learn how AI systems learn, how they use data and patterns to make decisions. You'll see how algorithms are trained and how they improve the more information they get. Then we'll explore creative uses of AI in art, music, and storytelling. You'll get to experiment with tools that turn ideas into visuals, melodies, or short stories, showing how AI can boost creativity. You'll also try simple coding activities that demonstrate how AI makes choices. No coding experience needed. We'll guide you step by step so you can see how it all works in action. After that, we'll discuss AI ethics, including fairness, privacy, and responsibility. We'll talk about how to make sure AI is used in a way that's safe, transparent, and inclusive for everyone. And finally, you'll build digital confidence and curiosity, discovering how technology can empower your ideas, creativity, and future opportunities. So if you're ready to learn, explore, and experiment, let's get started.